everybody, welcome to Electric Tornado Severe Weather Forecasts. Today we are going to be going over our severe weather forecast for the United States over the next few days. Today is July 29th, 2025, and we're going to start with our day one outlook for today, July 29th, on Tuesday. As we do have a slight risk expanding from parts of Montana into northeastern Wyoming, into Nebraska, and then into western Illinois. This also includes southwestern South Dakota, where some scattered severe thunderstorms will be a possibility. An isolated tornado or two will not be the big concern, but if we do see one, they'll probably be around north of Lincoln, maybe. But we do have a wind risk for today. That's the main concern for today. As we can see, some strong wind over here around Broken Bow, Grand Island, Fremont, Omaha, and North Platte. Where wind up to 70 miles per hour will be a possibility in some severe thunderstorms in that area. And then we do get a yellow one going around it where some 55 to 70 miles per hour will be a possibility. And then, we do get a marginal wind threat going around it, which is a 5% wind risk, which will be just around 55 to 60 miles per hour of wind from these severe thunderstorms. But if you live in northeastern Wyoming, like Casper, Wright, Newcastle, Rapid City, Spearfish, Gillette, Buffalo, Sheridan. I know Rapid City and Spearfish are in South Dakota, but if you live in northeastern Wyoming or southwestern South Dakota, I recommend parking your car in a garage so it doesn't get damaged by hail. And then if you're in Billings, Harlowtown, White Sulphur Springs, Hardin, Lame Deer, Broadus, Crow Indian Reservation, also in Montana. I also recommend parking your car in a garage so it doesn't get damaged by hail, as that could be a little concerning. Even some scattered severe weather will even be possible near Chicago today in northern Illinois, and also all of Iowa as well. So that was our severe weather outlook for today. I don't think we're gonna see too much flooding in that. We did almost see a derecho last night. I don't know if we did or not, but I think if not, we probably got pretty close. Let's go to our day two outlook for tomorrow, July 30th, which is Wednesday. Wednesday. Which we need to look at our severe weather for tomorrow. So we have a marginal risk expanding from northern central Missouri into central Illinois, including Bloomington, Springfield, and Davenport, and then into Indiana, including all of Indiana, and then into northern Kentucky, including Maysville and Louisville. So big cities, and then through Ohio, including Bellefontaine, Columbus, and Cincinnati, through northern West Virginia, into Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, northern Maryland, into New Jersey, including Philadelphia, northern Delaware, even Pennsylvania even includes Philadelphia, and then southern New York, which even includes New York City, Bridgeport, Providence, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, southern New Hampshire, and southern Vermont, and then Portland, Maine, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Main concern will be scattered severe thunderstorms. We don't really expect to see a tornado anywhere right now over there, but it's still a possibility. And we have to look at our severe wind risk, as we can see some severe thunderstorms scattered within this with 55 to 60 mile per hour winds as the main concern. Then the main areas for small hail tomorrow will be over here around the New York City area, and Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, and Albany. So hail will also be possible over there. Then we do got another marginal risk for tomorrow over here. It includes eastern central Wyoming, includes Casper and Chain, and then it goes into Colorado, including Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins. And then it even includes southeastern Montana, including Billings, Hardin, Lame Deer, Broadus, Ekalaka, Packer, Mound City, Forsyth, I don't know. But over there, we'll also expect to see some scattered severe weather, scattered severe thunderstorms, low concern for tornadoes, and some small hail over there as well for tomorrow. So stay weather aware if in any of these areas for tomorrow. Even if you're in Fort Wayne or Indianapolis or in Columbus today, especially too. Tomorrow. So, yeah. If you're in those areas tomorrow, stay weather aware. And if we go to our day 3 outlook for July 31st, yeah, this would be the 31st of March. Of July. I meant, and we don't even have outlook anywhere right now. But if we do see an outlook, I think it'd probably be somewhere up over here, maybe, and somewhere in the plains, if not over here. So stay aware for the weather, but this is a great time to talk about some of our tropical disturbances. And whoa, we do got a Category 4 hurricane about to be here. Wind gusts 161. Yeah, there's a Category 4 hurricane about almost almost there, south of Hawaii. So you guys probably are going to see some strong wind gusts over there. As you guys do have a small craft advisory, and we also got Tropical Storm Kelly and Hurricane Iona. I don't know if that's how you say it. And then we got 2 more tropical disturbances over here. It's day 2 80% high and day 7 90% high tropical disturbance over here as well. Day 2 0% low and day 7 30% low. Yeah, we do gotta watch for development over here in the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, even over here into the Sargasso Sea. So, yeah, stay weather aware and have a good day. Turn around, don't drive on kind of flooded roadways. Take cover if you get tornado warning. Stay away from windows. Do the same thing with severe thunderstorms. Bye.